In this video, I'm trying to show the basic use where you would input your prompt, and we're prompting this ChatGPT and posing a question in the chat. So the question is, who would win in a battle, Superman or Batman? And so as I input that into the prompt, then ChatGPT you'll see will give me a debate or a response, and then you can modify that, or you can regenerate this. You'll notice in my prompt I didn't have punctuation, but the chatbot automatically assumes it's a question based on the prompt. And so you can regenerate this. If you don't like that response, you can click regenerate and it'll give you a similar response, but it will definitely, and then it will ask you, like, was this response better or worse based on your question? You can diversify your prompt. So like once you're done with that question, if you wanted to move into a totally different subject, you could do that. I asked, how often would someone be able to find a four-leaf clover, and what's the history behind why people think four-leaf clovers are lucky, or the idea that it's lucky. So just a question, totally different subject matter, to say, look, we're going to jump from one thing to another, and here we go. So it's going to talk about that.